Hello everyone. Today I would like to show you all how to send message with special screen effect on iPhone. Let's have a look. First, open Photos app. Select an image from your photo library. Press and hold on the subject until a white glow follows around its outline. Then tap copy in the pop-up menu that appears. Now open the Messages app and in new or existing conversation, press and hold your finger in the input field. Then tap the paste option that pops up. Next, press and hold down the send button until the send with effect screen appears. Tap the screen at the top. The first effect that's selected is called Echo. This is what you want. Enjoy the preview. You can swipe right to left to get more options. Hit send button when you select Echo. That's it. These are the steps to send message with special screen effect on iPhone. Hope this video helped you. Please subscribe my channel by tap subscribe button. Also tap the bell icon to receive notifications about all new videos.